I can honestly say that this was the most unusual saw day we have ever had in 24 years of milling lumber. Our local ABC News does a story every Monday morning on a randomly picked local business. A few days before Easter, the news crew visited our place to do a story on our sawmill business. We just happened to be sawing a hackberry log that had metal in it. We hit the nail on the third cut, which really interrupted the flow of work, but it showed another aspect of something that happens to us every few days, sometimes even more than once in one day or even in one log.
Right there, every day, almost every day.
So what do you do when you encounter these nails here?
Or take the blade off, recycle it, put a new blade on.
And then we dig the metal out.
And dig the metal out.
Now we'll change the blade.
Yeah, see that?
I was quick to lean forward to grab the band like normal and realized at the last minute that my husband, Sawyer Al, was going slow to give a view of the damaged blade. We resumed sawing and didn't hit metal for a few more cuts, though we did end up hitting more later and dug it out like normal, which ended the video since the news crew was ready to move on to our lumber sales room anyway. We had a display of customer creations that the news crew didn't use for the story. First is a Morris recliner made from quarter-sawn white oak. The next is a matching footstool. On the floor in front is a curly white oak shelf. Then there are 2 quarter white oak waste baskets holding a curly 2-color cherry shelf. You may recognize the cross on the left from a video a couple of months ago. The walnut cross on the right has a little oak dove on it. The 3 crosses on the walnut hill are made out of oak. And then the cherry heart is made of 2-color cherry and it's polished up really smooth. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.